turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Oh. A little bit nervous at the best of all the years that go by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified. And then I look into your eyes, bright eyes. Then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart, and I need home. And I get a little bit rest, and I dream of something wild. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit helpless, and I'm lying like a child in your arms. And everything's a little bit angry, and I know I've got to get out there and cry. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, but then I see the look in your eyes, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart, and I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever, and we'll only be making it right, 'cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow on me all of the time, all the time. Don't know what to do, I'm always in the dark. We're living in a powder keg and giving off sparks, giving off sparks. It's like forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna. Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. Well, there's nothing I can do, it's a total eclipse of my heart. Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark.